It's time to start thinking about Asana as your digital hub. It is not just a to-do list. It is where you manage your entire business and life, if you choose. Hey, in case you're new here, my name is Samantha and I'm an OBM and Asana Systems Specialist. My goal with this video is to help you use Asana consistently so that you can experience the benefits of using this powerful, life-changing work management tool. So comment below and let me know if you are new to Asana or if you've been trying to use it for a while. I would love to know. All right, so you need to commit to using Asana every day. Do not let things slip through the cracks. Don't let your inbox pile up and get out of control. Make it a daily habit from day one. And it will save so much time and mental energy. I promise you it's going to be so worth it. And this goes for your team as well, so make sure that they know this. They need to be creating this as a habit along with you in order for it to work effectively. And trust me, you want to experience what it is like to have Asana work for you. If you're looking for help getting your Asana account set up and organized, I can help you with that either by doing it all for you, customized for your unique business, or through my course if you want to do it yourself with my guidance. Head to samanthakasberick.com/Asana to get started. All right, so here are some tips on how to use Asana. So instead of spending time clicking through all of your projects and trying to find things to be working on, prioritize your My Tasks and your inbox. First, always make sure that all of the tasks that you want to be doing are assigned to you. This way they show up in your My Tasks section. Get in the habit of doing this for every task that you create. As soon as you create a task, it should be assigned to someone, even if you are a solopreneur and you don't have a team. The My Tasks section is where all of the tasks that are assigned to you will show up, and it will show the due dates as well. And the inbox section is where everything that requires your attention will be. So it's similar to email, but specific to tasks and projects that you are collaborating on. So you'll want to spend your time viewing the tasks that you need to complete in your My Tasks section, completing them, and then checking them off as you go throughout the day. And spend time in your inbox responding to inquiries from your team or checking status updates on your projects. Using Asana in this way is really the best use of your time to really improve efficiency in your workday. If you commit to this and make it a habit, then you only have one tool you need to check every day. You know exactly what to work on and when, so you actually get things done and you're able to grow your business. Focus on the small actionable steps you lay out in Asana and not the big overwhelming projects. Those small steps will get you there. Trust the process. Imagine what you will do with the extra time you have once your organizational systems are set in place. Focus on these things as you are creating the habit. And all of this will make things so much easier once you hire team members as well if you haven't already. If you are just getting started with Asana, if you haven't signed up or set it up yet, make sure to watch this video next to get started in the right way. I will teach you how to set it up and optimize it using the free version of Asana. All right, I hope this video helped you so much. Please let me know if you have any questions and I'll see you next week. Bye.